Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison from LeSueur Car Company, and I have a quick question for y'all. Have you ever wondered what the speed limit is on a certain road? Like, let's just say you're on Curry Road and you have no idea what the speed limit is. Well, the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge has got you covered. So right here on the dashboard, you kind of see that we got the directions, but something I don't see is the road sign. Where's the road sign? Well, if you go to settings and then you go to driving, you actually have right here road sign information. And right when you turn that on, let's get out of there. Road sign information is right there. Isn't that just absolutely amazing? I wonder if I can get it a little bit better for y'all. There we go, just a little bit better. Yeah, definitely was very bright out here. Well, I've definitely had those times where I didn't know what the speed limit was on a certain road, but guess what? This has got you covered, this has got me covered, and definitely is going to save me a speeding ticket. But I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!